The year was 1962. Scientist Nathaniel Kleitman entered a deep, dark cave for a strange experiment. He spent 32 days alone without sunlight or clocks. He wanted to see if our brain could understand time without light. He discovered that inside our brain there is an invisible clock. Science calls this the circadian rhythm. This internal clock syncs with sunlight to tell our body when to sleep and when to wake up. But in the modern age, we have completely broken this clock. The biggest culprit is our phone's blue light. This blue light tricks your brain. It thinks it's still noon, so it stops producing melatonin, the sleep hormone. As a result, your body is tired, but your brain stays awake. You toss and turn for hours. The second enemy is caffeine. Drinking tea or coffee after the afternoon blocks the sleep signals in your brain. Even 6 hours after drinking coffee, half its effect remains. This reduces the quality of your deep sleep. Your room temperature is also vital. In a room that's too hot, the brain can never enter deep sleep. Science says the ideal temperature for sleep is 18 to 20 degrees Celsius. A cool environment helps the brain chill fast. Lack of sleep isn't just about fatigue. It destroys your focus and decision-making ability. Poor sleep weakens your immune system, making you fall sick very easily. You can't remember what you study or work on because the brain saves new information only during sleep. During sleep, the brain washes away all the day's toxins. It's called the brain's washing machine. Regular sleep deprivation pushes you towards premature aging. Your skin and organs age faster. Eating heavy, greasy food right before bed keeps your digestive system busy, leaving no room for rest. This digestive stress can cause heartburn and nightmares during the night. Your bed and pillow quality matter too. Sleeping in the wrong position can lead to long-term body pain. Even the tiniest bit of light can lighten your deep sleep. The brain is always sensitive to light. Outside noise keeps your brain in alert mode, preventing you from fully relaxing. An irregular sleep routine confuses your internal clock. This is called social jet lag. When you oversleep on weekends, the brain loses its rhythm for the rest of the week. This poor sleep quality damages your mental health, leading to anger and irritability. But the solution is simple. You just need to follow sleep hygiene. Sleep hygiene is a set of habits that prepares your brain for deep, restful sleep. Are you ready to wake up at the same time every morning? This is your first big step. The courage to disconnect from the digital world will give you back your peaceful sleep. In the next part, we will learn 5 amazing psychological hacks to improve your sleep quality. Let's see how we can regain that lost, deep, and beautiful sleep. Hack 1. Get at least 10 minutes of direct sunlight every morning. Morning light resets your internal clock, ensuring melatonin is released at the right time at night. The second rule is the 3-2-1 rule. It will change your night routine. Finish dinner 3 hours before bed to give your stomach time to finish its work. Stop all work or study 2 hours before bed. Signal your brain to relax. And stay away from all digital screens 1 hour before bed. Protect your eyes from blue light. Hack 3 is the brain dump. If anxiety keeps you awake, this method is magical. Write down everything on your mind. The brain then thinks, everything is saved. I can sleep now. The fourth way is taking a lukewarm shower before bed. After a shower, body temperature drops quickly. This drop sends the brain into deep sleep faster. Rule 5. Designate your bed only for sleep. Stop working or using your phone in bed. Let the brain associate the bed only with sleep. If you can't sleep within 20 minutes, get out of bed. Don't let the brain link the bed with restlessness. You can use relaxing music or white noise to drown out annoying outside sounds. When you follow sleep hygiene, you get a new life. Your energy and productivity will skyrocket. Your memory will be sharp and your mind will be calm. You will feel much stronger. Sleep is not a luxury. It is your body's fundamental right. Learn to respect it. Don't miss this best chance to recharge yourself every day. Let sleep hygiene be a part of your life. When your brain and body are in harmony, only then can you perform your best. Change your sleep habits starting tonight. Tomorrow morning, you will discover a new you. Welcome to the magical world of deep sleep. You deserve it. Your health is in your hands. Never compromise with your sleep. Sleep peacefully and wake up refreshed. Let's build a culture of healthy sleep together. Now is the time for your rest. Do you use your phone before bed? Do you think your sleep quality could be better? Let us know in the comments. And if you pledge to follow sleep hygiene, type, "I will sleep better." If you found this video informative, please subscribe and share it with a friend who has insomnia. Take care of your health. Stay healthy and stay with BrainVas. Thank you.